Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Okay, let me just off it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to focus on the settings icon. So let's tap on the gear icon. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. In this device, we've got 3 different options. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you wish to use. It is immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is also shown in the shutter button. So simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, as you can see, it takes a while. Alright, so if you wish to turn it off, simply tap on the settings again and tap on off. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, or maybe almost right after, because as you can see, we still have this taking photo loading. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.